Ever feel like Excel is eating up your whole day? Let's fix that. Here are 5 keyboard shortcuts that'll seriously speed things up and make you look like an Excel pro. Fast. Whether you're crunching numbers, organizing data, or just trying to survive a Monday, these shortcuts will save you time, lower your stress, and make Excel feel way less painful. Picture this. No mouse, no dragging, no endless clicking. Just you and your keyboard, blazing through Excel. I'm going to show you 5 powerful shortcuts that'll instantly upgrade your workflow. Ready to level up? Let's get into it. Got a lot of data? Hit Ctrl plus Shift plus L to add filters instantly. No need to dig through menus. Just tap and go. If you need the same value or formula across several cells, select them all, type once, hit Ctrl plus Enter, boom, done. Bouncing between sheets. Use Ctrl plus Page Up or Page Down to zip through your tabs without reaching for the mouse. Trying to make your text more readable inside one cell? Press Alt plus Enter to add line breaks exactly where you want them. Ctrl plus D is perfect for copying the cell above, whether it's a formula, value, or formatting. Quick, easy, efficient. Let's compare. On one side, someone's clicking around with a mouse. On the other, shortcuts only. You can see the difference. Speed wins. The trick? Practice. Once these become second nature, you'll move through Excel like a total pro. Alright, quick recap of those 5 shortcuts. Ctrl plus Shift plus L, add filters fast. Ctrl plus Enter, fill multiple cells at once. Ctrl plus Page Up Down, move between sheets, Alt plus Enter, add line breaks inside cells. Ctrl plus D, duplicate the cell above. Check out the links in the description for tutorials and resources. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip that saves you time.